Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 28, 11:10 America, New York. Google Maps chief sees new directions for digital navigation. A more immersive experience is coming to map tools, says Google Geo head Christopher Phillips.
Daily FX Market News.
December 28, 10:35 America, New York. S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones forecast into 2023. It was a bearish year for stocks, but the swings were aggressive on both sides, offering setups on both sides to swing traders as a new theme took over markets in 2022.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 28, 10:26 America, New York. AMC chief asks board for salary freeze next year. CEO Adam Aron also asks senior officers to forego raises to their cash salaries in 2023, following a painful year for the movie theater chain's share price.
Daily FX Market News.
December 28, 8:42 America, New York. Gold consolidates above $1,800 psychological level amid a cautious market mood. Spot gold's rally was cut short yesterday as the dollar index and Treasury yields staged a modest recovery. Will we see a wedge pattern breakout or more consolidation ahead of the weekend?
New York Times Business.
December 28, 8:20 America, New York. The numbers in the news. Dealbook looks at the data points behind some of the biggest stories of the past year, and the themes that will endure in 2023.
Marginal Revolution.
December 28, 8:17 America, New York. Are progressives in denial about progress? That is the title of a new paper by Gregory Mitchell and Philip E. Tetlock. Here is the abstract. Scott Lilienfeld warned that psychology's ideological uniformity would lead to premature closure on sensitive topics.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 28, 8 o'clock America, New York. U.S. accounting rulemaker looks to advance projects on tax, crypto and expenses in 2023. The Financial Accounting Standards Board in 2023 wants to get closer to finalizing key rules, ranging from companies sharing more details on cryptocurrency holdings to breaking out certain expenses on income statements.
New York Times Business.
December 28, 7:40 America, New York. As China drops travel rules, wariness rises over its COVID outbreak. Many welcomed Beijing's plan to loosen quarantine rules for travelers, but concerns linger about the country's COVID wave. Travelers passing through Beijing Capital International Airport on Tuesday.
BBC News Business.
December 28, 7:32 America, New York. China COVID. U.S. considers restrictions on Chinese arrivals. Japan and India have already announced tighter measures as China finally reopens its borders.
Daily FX Market News.
December 28, 7:15 America, New York. Active versus passive investing. Top stock investing tips. Understand the differences and unique selling points of active and passive investing to enhance your trading and investment strategy.
BBC News Business.
December 28, 7:02 America, New York. Domino's Pizza considers selling Russian business. The firm operating the Russian franchise may sell up, 10 months after the invasion of Ukraine.
Global economy.
December 28, 6 o'clock America, New York. The New World Order and the Rise of the Middle Powers. Return of great power rivalry brings some opportunities for those in between.
New York Times Business.
December 28, 5:38 America, New York. Southwest's canceled flights draw federal scrutiny. The airline canceled another 2,500 flights on Wednesday and said it would be days before normal service resumes. Travelers searched for their bags in the baggage claim area at Dallas Love Field Airport in Texas on Tuesday.
Marginal Revolution.
December 28, 1:04 America, New York. Does more construction raise rents? Matt Iglesias has a long post on that question, recommended albeit gated. Matt's take is hard to summarize, so I will provide a somewhat different view, the one that is still pro-YIMBY though with a different slant.
Global economy.
December 28, 0:00 America, New York. Inflation in the Baltics, a warning for the rest of Europe. Policymakers fear the region as an early indicator of how price pressures could develop next year across the EU.
Global economy.
December 28, 0:00 America, New York. Is QE returning by stealth? While the Fed is reducing its bond buying program, it is still providing stimulus via other means.
BBC News Business.
December 27, 2332 America, New York. COVID in China. People rush to book travel as borders finally reopen. But Chinese tourists will not have unfettered access to all countries, as some impose restrictions.
Marginal Revolution.
December 27, 1441 America, New York. Two attitudes toward the GPTs. The first is, look, I asked it to discuss the importance of Haitian voodoo flagmaker Antoine Olayant, and it failed miserably. The second is, the answers to some of my questions and requests are amazing. If it can do this at all, over time it will be able to do much, much more.